Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 145 of Gardening Without Edits. The episode before this I was talking about the Liberty apple. Let me flip it around. Now I'm going to be talking about the Barbados Cherry next to it, because I didn't notice until I was sitting up close, it is pushing out flowers. The flowers look like, this is past its time, but the flowers look like this. As you can see, it's kind of swinging though. And they are everywhere. You can see more right there. Let me see if I can see any more. You see them all? There we go. Delicious. If it's not fully ripe, this can get very tart. So I'd caution this. And it's been here for, geez, 5 years, I think. So it's doing really well. Here's ultra white. You can see how big it is. It's a dwarf variety. They produce a really small cherry, not the larger one. But I don't mind it because it doesn't get that big. I don't want a big tree. And I just wanted a tropical cherry, or a subtropical at least. Doing really well. You can see from the other angles. See them all? All right, everybody. Just a quick update. Happy gardening. Bye.